How to easily uninstall and remove secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, so scroll down and click on more security settings. So after click on more security settings, so click on secure folder. So after click on secure folder, now here showing you uninstall option. So if you want to easily uninstall and remove secure folder, so click on uninstall. So after click on uninstall, you will see easily uninstall and remove secure folder. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can easily uninstall and remove secure folder on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.